Welcome to Aquatics Live YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell.
Perfect.
Welcome back, guys. Just I got a few things that I need to do on this. Welcome back, guys. I'm hoping this comes through. So I got a few things I need to do on here. Well, I already did. I guess I already did the one thing. Was my chain was really loose after I guess it stretched out, and I flipped this tensioner around here. I had it the other way around, and I noticed that by having it essentially backwards, the tensioner wasn't doing anything. It wasn't actually raising. It was just kind of moving alongside the chain because this slot was going this way. So I moved that around, and then I tilted the motor ahead a little bit, and I got my chain nice and tight, and it's on all the way to the bottom here, so I have room to increase the tension now. And there's a little bit of slack in here, which is just enough, I think. Then the other project is I'm going to work up here. I'm going to add um, a cup holder and a way to hold like a phone up here. So I'm going to get that started here. So I'm going to change up positions for you, and you can watch me install the two pieces up there. All right. Well, we got just I moved everything around. It's kind of in the bottom of the shot now, so should be able to see me talking, I hope, and hopefully I didn't cut it off. But anyway, the low zero effort productions is what somebody Camo Dave used to say. Zep. But anyway, I'm doing the best I can actually. So these little brackets here, these are from a company called Moto Wolf. It's out of the Philippines. I got these from a company over there when I got back from the Philippines anyway. So I got two of these little bar clamp pieces, and then there's a phone mount, and then I have a cup mount. And I modified the cup mount a bit. I'm putting a coffee can up on the front here instead of the regular cup. The cup holder that came with it was so small that I couldn't put anything in it. So, but anyway, so get these mounted up first, and then we'll put the pieces on there. So I'm gonna have one of them facing to the back and one facing to the front, and then whatever way works out best for the two pieces, we can decide which one we're going to use. Yeah, it came with a little Allen wrench too. So anyway, let's hurry up and get this installed. Probably cut ahead. Alright guys, I got it all bolted up together here. Kind of stooped over to get in the shot, but so get the it's a small coffee can, little plastic one. I adapted that to work with this bracket here. I'll snap the lid so we can use it for a cup holder, or if I got like little small things or snacks or something I want to put in there, that'll work for that. And then here's the little phone holder. Now this, both of these are like Moto Wolf things. There's a pretty nice little phone holder thing. It's got these screw adjustments on the left and right, so it can really be held in there tight. The one downfall of this is that it's not very deep, so it's you got to make sure you don't have your cover on your phone. But I'm going to put an older one in here anyway. Just it uses the Speedo, so I got a couple of old phones laying around that can be used for that kind of stuff. So that's pretty much it. I'm hoping to do a ride later, maybe on Tuesday. So maybe Monday night after work. I'm not sure what day. It's got a little bit of miles on it, but not enough. And so that's where we're at right now.
All right.
Thanks, guys.
We're gonna try to get this going. Oh shit. Approve. There you go.